In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared album in Google Photos if you want to organize pictures and make them easy to view with friends, family, or coworkers. A shared album is a simple and useful option. We'll be doing this on a desktop or laptop, and the process only takes a few minutes. To begin, open Google Photos in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one, because the album will be created and managed from that account. Once Google Photos is open, look for the Albums section. This is where Google Photos keeps your saved and organized photo collections. Go ahead and open Albums so you can create a new one from there. Inside the Albums area, click Create Album. This starts a new album that you can customize before sharing it. Creating the album first helps you set everything up in a clean and organized way before inviting other people. Next, add a title to your album. Choose something clear and easy to recognize so the people you share it with will immediately know what it contains. You may also have the option to add a location. That part is optional, but it can be helpful if the album is connected to a trip, event, or special place. After you've set up the basic album details, find the share button, click it, and then add the people you want to share the album with. This is the step that turns a regular album into a shared one. As you choose who to share it with, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the right contacts, since everyone you add will be able to access the album based on the sharing settings available in Google Photos. Once the album has been shared, you can start adding photos to it. Open the newly created album and add the images you want included. This lets your shared album become a central place where the selected photos are grouped together and easy for others to view. And that's it. You've opened Google Photos, created a new album, added a title and optional location, shared it with the right people, and then added your photos. If you want the album to stay easy to browse, it's a good idea to keep the title specific and only add images that match the album's theme. That makes the shared album more useful and enjoyable for everyone who has access to it.